Hi, I'm Jagdeep Khattar. Over the last 30 years, I have supported more than 500 companies across 8 countries and delivered 3,000 plus end-to-end development programs. Coordinating engineering teams, global suppliers, tooling partners, and validation cycles. My experience has always been managing complex, multi-vendor projects, ensuring alignment, timeline, and predictability delivery. Across our programs, this approach has consistently saved 25 to 33% of development time for OEMs, Tier-1s, and EV startups. I have wrote 2 books, How to Get Most Out of Your Tooling Investment, which is based on injection mold buying, and my second book, which is upcoming book, From Idea to Road, dedicated to automotive industry. Because structured program governance is the real backbone of vehicle development. Over 30 years, I have executed thousands of molds and built engineering and tooling partnerships across the global market. In my experience, I have seen one thing repeat again and again. Good teams get trapped in a bad tooling decision. It usually starts with a good intention. Someone tries to save money, someone wants to show efficiency, someone wants to impress their boss with a lower quotation. I have worked with hundreds of purchase managers, and most of them are genuinely trying to support the company. They bring low-cost suppliers with a good intention, but later on, when the supplier fails, they are the first one who get blamed, even though the issue was the supplier capability, not their efforts. 6 months later, the supplier who looked perfect on the paper misses the deadlines. Surfaces fail, tires don't match with engineering, fitment issues begin, OEM escalates, and the entire team goes into firefighting. And the money saved earlier comes back as delays, rework, dispute, stress, and loss of market opportunity worth crores. In tooling, the problem is not price, it is supplier's capability. A supplier must be chosen for responsibility, engineering strength, surface maturity, and the foundation behind their promises. I have learned one thing in 3 decades. The cheapest roadmap becomes the most expensive challenge. A responsible supplier does not reduce your cost today, they will protect your next 12 months. If you are evaluating supplier for your next project, I would be happy to share how we assess supplier capabilities globally.